If you have ever gone to remove the Ventrac dual wheels, you have run into this. So I designed this little tool that makes removing the Ventrac dual wheels quick and easy. So what the tool does is it slides onto the locking shaft and locks the locking shaft to the wheel hub. So now you can use the exact same sockets that you used in the first place to loosen that wheel. So we're gonna slide the tool on and spin it right off. So the other thing you can use the tool for is whether you have a stubborn wheel or not, you can slide it on part ways, then slide the socket on, break your locking wedge. And the goal is just to make the whole process easier. Engage the wheel with the tool. Now you can actually get torque on that wheel, spin it right off without even taking any of your tools off. And there you have it.